Hey guys, today we are going to expand on our knowledge of finding standard deviation. Previously, we'd go to our calculator, turn this on, hit my stat button, go into the edit window and enter a list. Then we'd go over to our calculate one variable stat and we would ignore anything else on this window. But I'm going to teach you about this frequency list section of the calculate window. Let's look at the data set on the right. And this is from Delta Math, and this is what you'll be using today to do the assignment. To break down this table, the data that we have, these are the values of our data. So let's say maybe this is number of student absences. So there were 8 students that had 6 absences. 4 students had 11 absences. So that's how you would read this. Okay. To find the standard deviation of this big list, so if we were to enter this as a list, we'd write the number 6 8 times, the number 11 4 times, but that could take a long time. So this frequency area of our table is going to allow us to kind of streamline this process. So Delta Math has a really cool feature that allows us to copy this data. So I clicked copy, then open a stat calculator. I can then paste all of those values into L1 and L2. Now, if you were doing this on your own calculator, I could go into this list and I could write all of these values on L1, 11, okay? And then I could go over to L2 and copy down all of my frequency, 8, 4, and so on, okay? But to make this process a little easier for today, Delta Math has that copy and paste option. Okay, so now that I have these in this calculator, okay, I go to my calc menu, which was the same as our calc menu. In the sub menu, so below that, we want one variable stat, just like we did before. We have our L1 in the list area, but my frequency list, I would have done L2. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here and I'm just, again, using this quicker feature that Delta Math has for us today. Then I'm going to click calculate. The question from this specific example, it says, for the following data, find the sample standard deviation. That is SX. Okay, this one. Come on, this one. And specifically, it wants us to round to the nearest hundredth. That's 2 decimal places. So the second decimal is a 9. The one after that is a 6, bumping this all the way up to 11. And that's my answer. Okay. Again, this is a way to take a frequency list and find standard